Hi, I'm Andy, the Trend Follower. It's Saturday, the 3rd of December 2022. Welcome to this week's review of the different asset classes. I don't know which asset class is going to do best, so I follow 7 of them. Shares, property, gold, commodities, cryptocurrency, bonds, and foreign exchange. Let's have a look at shares first of all, and a small rise this week for the fund that I follow, but it's still below the green line and I'm in cash. Let's look at property next, and the property fund that I follow fell slightly this week. It too is below the green line and I'm in cash here as well. Gold is next up, and do you remember that a week ago I had a sell signal for gold? I was really exasperated because I'd only got back into it a couple of weeks previously. It was only just below the green line and I didn't actually sell it. This week it closed above the green line, which is a buy signal. I don't need to buy it as I'm still invested. Let's look at commodities next, and my commodities investment didn't change very much this week at all. It's still above the green line, so I'm invested. Crypto is next, and my crypto proxy fell back a reasonable amount this week. No buy signal for this just yet. Bonds are next up, and the bonds that I follow rose up this week, but they're still below the green line and I'm in cash. Forex is next, and the euro dollar specifically, which is what I follow. Do you remember my cheeky early euro USD buy a little while back, a couple of weeks ago, when it closed above the MA26, which is the 6-month moving average, 26 weeks in 6 months, of course. So I went long, anticipating that the price would rise up, and it has risen up so far. Further this week, it's not above the MA52 just yet. It closed just below that this week, but if it closes above the MA52, I will add to my euro dollar position. We'll see. Let's have a look at the traffic lights for each of the asset classes this week and see what they're doing. My shares fund is on a red. My property fund remains a red. Gold has turned green again, so I'm going to remain invested. I never got out of it last week. Commodities is still on green, and my crypto proxy is red still. Bonds remain red, and the euro USD is still amber. I had an early buy signal and I've gone long, but I'll add to that when it turns fully green. What do I have to do this week? Well, I don't need to buy gold because I never sold it, which I alluded to in last week's video. I need to move my commodities stop loss order up just a little bit. That's all I need to do. Do you want to see a weekly update? Make sure you're signed up to my Substack. I'm not a financial advisor, though. This video is just about what I do. It's not advice from me to you. I make no claim about how this strategy might perform for me or indeed anybody else in the future. If you copy me, you might end up living in a cardboard box. So regard this video as entertainment, a bit like gambling. Have a great week. I'll see you next weekend. Bye for now.